Hello, welcome to this tutorial where I shall explain how to bring the models from Google 3D Warehouse, in other words, Google's Mate with Google SketchUp, into the Unity. Now at first we shall have an overview of the tools that you use with 3D modeling. All these tools are free. First of all, I show you a tool that is not directly used with 3D modeling. This is a recorder with which I am recording just now. It records your actions and voice on the screen. It is very practical and is of course also free. Here is it, the link. This is BB Flashback. Oops. This here above. This is the one. Now we can continue with, we can close this one. Then we have a good selection. It is 8 3D modeling and graphics applications available for free. Here you have the famous Blender, which we shall discuss in more detail a little later. Then we have Google SketchUp, which we have already shortly mentioned. Then there are some other programs. I would like to mention here TrueSpace Caligari. I shall show it more later on. It was from the company Caligari that obviously does not exist anymore, and this wonderful software is now for free. It did cost before about $700. I used it before I switched to Maya. It also enables a lot of import and export and a lot of texturing, so it's very nice. You should download and install it. Art of Illusion, I don't know. Basically I don't know this program, so we can together have a look if you like, but please feel free to have a look yourself, and then you will report your opinion. And with the recorder that I have just shown to you, you can make a short tutorial or a longer tutorial as you like yourself, and then we shall publish this on our YouTube channel if you don't mind. Then the link for this is 8 3D modeling and graphics, is this one in the second row. Then there is another site which is 23 3D modeling applications. It is a more complex site. Have also a look if you would like even more to choose for your tools. This is the link for the 25 free. And another site, it is similar. It has also a selection of virtual reality tools. This is this one. And now we already come to Blender. We download Blender from this link. Here it is, the link. This is Blender. You can choose download installer or choose the zip file. I have chosen to download the zip file, and I think it is a very good method. It simply comes down, and then you unzip all to a folder, and in this folder it is already ready for running Blender application. So you just click on Blender X and it works. You can move it anywhere you like. This is the TrueSpace Caligari download site. It is here, Caligari. Here you have the link. I found also Autodesk converter that converts a number of files into the FBX format. You get it for free. And this is the download link. Here, Autodesk FBX converter. Then It is another converter. I didn't try it, but it looks very promising. It imports a lot of files and exports a lot of file formats. So also VRML you have here, which is now difficult to get converters for virtual reality modeling language. Collada, which you will see, it will be very important, is also covered here. So MeshLab, don't forget and try it if you need it. This is the MeshLab link. And I also found that there is, if you are a student or if you are an unemployed person, then you can get the Autodesk software for free, but of course you cannot use it for commercial purposes. So for our project it would be okay, as long as we do not use, you do not use. Study this in more detail and then you will see if it is applicable. Anyway, it is very good if you can get the tools that are otherwise quite expensive. This is the last one. Here is the link for Autodesk supports the student community. So now we have done an overview of the links, and we can start to work, so to say.